Accessories: toolbox, instruction manual, foot pedals, kickstand, power adapter, protective bracket, screws, tool bag. To install the kickstand, remove the screws from the holes. Align the kickstand with the screw holes and tighten the screws. Remove the fork protector bar and remove the silver protector bar. Remember to remove the brake pads. Thread the fork protector bar through the front wheel. Thread the parts onto the bar in order. Place the front wheel onto the fork. Note, the brake disc must be engaged with the brake caliper. Reinstall the remaining parts onto the bar. Note, the hooks must be engaged in the clips. Next, adjust the handlebar retainer. Note, the retainer must be upside down. Remove the retaining hardware from the handlebar slots and place the handlebars in the slots. When reinstalling the retaining hardware, tight and the screws in a crisscross pattern. Tighten the screws only after adjusting the handlebars to the appropriate angle. Remove the screws on both sides of the headlight. Mount the headlight onto the headlight bracket. Note the installation order of the screws and washers. Connect the headlight to the dashboard, ensuring the arrows align with the arrows. Remove the screws corresponding to the front fork positions on the fenders. Align the fenders with the holes, then tighten the screws back in. Place the seat in place, aligning it with the holes. Select and assemble suitable short screws and accessories. Tighten the short screws in the screw holes on the short seat. Select and assemble suitable long screws and accessories. Tighten the longer screw marked in blue in the screw hole at the front. Tighten the remaining long screws in the screw holes on the long seat. Connect the rear light, ensuring the arrows align with the arrows. Place the rear frame in place, aligning it with the holes. Select and assemble the corresponding screws and accessories. Pass the screw through the screw hole, securing the other end with the corresponding accessory. Finally, tighten using a wrench and an Allen wrench. Attach the rear light to the rear of the motorcycle. Note the difference between the left and right pedals. Remove the screws next to the gearshift. Place the protective bracket in the corresponding position and tighten the screws. Install the battery and secure it with the key. Turn on the power and check the battery level. Test if the instrument panel is working properly. Test if the headlights are working properly. Test if the brake lights are working properly. Test if the turn signals are working properly. Test if shifting gears is working properly. Test if the accelerator pedal is working properly. Test if the brakes are working properly. Test if the transmission is working properly.